Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best wireless electric toothbrush on the market, the Oral-B Series 2 Rechargeable Electric-Powered Toothbrush Starter Kit in Night Black. If you're looking to upgrade your oral care routine, this device promises a combination of advanced technology and user-friendly features that deliver a professional clean right at home. The Oral-B Series 2 is designed to remove 100% more plaque compared to a regular manual toothbrush. This is made possible through its powerful yet gentle micro-vibrations combined with Oral-B's dentist-inspired round brush head. This brush is tough on plaque but gentle on your gums, offering a perfect balance that makes your brushing experience both effective and comfortable. One of the standout features is how easy it is to make the switch from manual to electric brushing. The toothbrush operates with a simple one-touch button, and it starts automatically on the super-sensitive cleaning mode. This makes it ideal for those new to electric toothbrushes or anyone with sensitive gums who wants a gentle start. Protecting your gums is a top priority with this brush. It has an automatic gum pressure sensor that detects when you're brushing too hard. If you apply too much pressure, the sensor will slow down the brush speed and signal with a red light, helping you avoid gum irritation or damage while still getting a thorough clean. With 3 distinct cleaning modes, super sensitive, gentle, and daily clean, you can easily customize your brushing experience to suit your preferences or dental needs. Whether you want a gentle massage or a more thorough daily clean, this toothbrush has you covered. Brushing for the dentist recommended time is made easy with the built-in 2-minute timer. Every 30 seconds, the brush alerts you to change brushing zones, ensuring that you spend equal time on all parts of your mouth for a balanced clean. Another great benefit is compatibility. The Oral-B Series 2 fits all Oral-B replacement brush heads, including Ultimate Clean, Gentle Care, Radiant White, and Specialized Clean. This means you have plenty of options to tailor the brush head to your specific dental care requirements. The toothbrush is battery-powered, featuring a long-lasting lithium-ion battery that's included and designed to keep you going through your daily routine without frequent recharging. Its quiet operation adds to the comfortable user experience, making it less intrusive during your morning or nighttime rituals. The physical design is sleek and ergonomic, coming in a stylish night black color. It weighs just over 13 ounces and measures approximately 5.2 by 2.6 by 10 inches, fitting comfortably in your hand for easy control and maneuverability. To start using the toothbrush, simply unpack the device and charger, fully charge it before the first use, wet the brush head, apply your favorite toothpaste, and press the start button. Remember to brush for the full 2 minutes, changing zones as prompted. After brushing, rinse the brush head and allow it to dry. It's recommended to replace the brush head every 3 months or sooner if it becomes worn. In summary, the Oral-B Series 2 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush offers advanced plaque removal, gum protection, customizable cleaning modes, and convenient features like a timer and pressure sensor. It's a thoughtful blend of technology and design aimed at delivering a dentist-clean feeling every day. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more honest takes on the latest products, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.